Picture this. You click on a video titled, "How to Make a Perfect Egg Omelette," and 2 hours later, you find yourself watching The Secret History of the Universe. How did you get here? It's the art of viral faceless titles, a skill that can skyrocket your channel's growth and engagement. Hey there, I'm Asta, your guide in the ever-changing world of AI and personal finance. Today, we're delving into the science behind crafting titles that can turn your content into a viral sensation. So why is a title so important, especially in a faceless channel like ours? Well, think of your title as the billboard for your video. It's the first thing viewers see, and it's what decides whether they'll click on your video or scroll past. Your title should be enticing, clear, and it should make the viewer curious. And there's AI to help you craft such titles. AI tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can analyze your title and give you a score based on its potential to drive clicks and views. They use complex algorithms that consider keyword frequency, search volume, and competition to predict your title's performance. Simply put, these AI tools do the heavy lifting, enabling you to focus on creating captivating content. Another trick to mastering viral titles is to understand your audience's needs and interests. This is where personal finance comes into play. You might be thinking, but Asta, what does finance have to do with YouTube titles? Well, it's all about finding a niche that's profitable and has a hungry audience. If you can tap into a topic that people are eager to learn about and spend money on, like investing in cryptocurrencies or online passive income, you've hit the jackpot. Remember, the ultimate goal is to provide value. Your title should reflect the specific value or benefit the viewer will get from watching your video. This makes them feel that their time is well invested, literally. Now, it's your turn. What's your most successful video title, or maybe the one you struggled with the most? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on AI, personal finance, and making money online. Until next time, keep innovating, keep learning, and keep growing.